Hi guys, and greetings from Barcelona. Oh my god, so Nexo just got raided. Pretty much all of the offices in Sofia, Bulgaria, as there are a lot of allegations against them, including money laundering, tax evasion, and circumventing sanctions against Russia. So obviously these are only allegations so far, but as they say, there's no smoke without fire. And if any of those turn out to be true, that's going to be the end of Nexo for sure. So far Nexo came out on Twitter saying obviously they haven't done anything wrong and they're in full compliance. But of course, I guess that's what they have to say. That also comes on top when they closed down the US division in December last year, plus the plummeting crypto prices around the world and many more exchanges closing. The question is how much longer Nexo can survive. And I guess we'll see how it turns out. So far, these are only allegations, as I said. Nothing has been proven. But frankly speaking, guys, if by now you still have any money on any exchange, honestly, what are you doing? Take it off. The risk is just not worth the reward. I used to have all my money on Nexo. I love the exchange, but then saw what happened to other exchanges, which were previously super solid, and I just couldn't justify it to myself anymore. So that's why I withdrew all of it and put it onto my Ledger hardware wallet until times improve, recover, and then potentially I might bring back some of it to the exchange. But right now, getting crypto cashback in Nexo or Nexo staking rewards just doesn't make sense, because if Nexo goes to zero, all the money is worth zero. On top of the fact that you may not be able to withdraw some of your other funds that you had on the exchange, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So obviously going to keep a close eye on what's happening going forward. Also make sure to keep an eye on the Nexo price development, because I think as more negative information comes out about Nexo, the price is gonna tank. So yeah guys, for me that's super worrying. I'm actually quite happy I pulled all my funds, and I also think it's a bit like a Pandora's box. Once the Bulgarian authorities start investigating, who's not to say there's going to be more authorities following suit accordingly, because usually such transactions are global and circumventing sanctions is a global offense. So I think more and more countries are going to go after them, which is going to make it even worse for them to get out of this. And even if in the end they found not guilty, the negative reputation damage is already done. So I really don't see how they're going to bounce back from this anytime soon. And moreover, more and more governments going after those exchanges, and alternative payments might also be in line with different countries setting up their own digital payments through the use of CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, on top of digital identities. That way governments can fully control you. And I have a video on this coming up very soon. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button so I know how many of you pulled out their funds from Nexo and are safe. Alright guys, be safe out there, stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.